Hello everyone! I'm proud to announce that the new version of Balabit Privileged Activity Monitoring Appliance is here. The Balabit Share Control Box 3F5 offers you tons of new features which fulfill the latest enterprise security needs. For example, the new HCB can monitor the traffic of graphical connections in real time and send you an email alert or immediately terminate the connection if the user launches a suspicious application. In addition to improve the quality of auditing HTTP sessions, HCB can show you a list of user-visited web pages like a web browser. You can download a human-readable trail of the HTTP session. You can navigate among the user-visited pages, click on the links, and HCB will display their contents. HCB can also display forms with the values that were filled in by the user. Last but not least, HCB 3F5 provides a generic plugin framework to make integration with password management systems possible. This allows you to future-proof your existing password management investment. Stay tuned for more about Balabit Share Control Box 3F5.